everyone, my name is Motheo. I'd like to show you, this is my garden around here. First place, let me show you the eggplant that I have planted. As you can see, it hasn't grown that yet, but it's going to be big. When it grows, I will cut it off, then make a salad with it or a smoothie. Over here, we have some lettuce.
I see the other one is grown.
Yes, as you can see, when we're done with this shooting this video, I'm going to take it and make a smoothie with it.
And what else?
As you can see here, here is a beetroot and a flower. Yesterday I harvested the beetroot to make a soup with it. Then this side we have lettuce. I can just take it to make a lunchbox when I go to school. And this side is the green pepper in here. The green pepper, and this side is a carrot. Over there is the spinach, and that whole tree is the.
And what's in there?
In here are carrots.
Oh, okay.
And tomatoes.
And tomatoes.
Yes. These tiny ones.
Okay, Motheo. And what's that? Lettuce.
Yes, this one is a lettuce.
So who's assisting you, Motheo, to do such a big garden?
It was my mother and father and my sister.
Okay. Thank you, Motheo.
Thank you for having all your time. Goodbye.
Bye.